Hello again guys. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to turn off iMessages on iPhone. Sometimes when you want to send regular SMS on iPhone, and there it is, annoying iMessage and you can't send your SMS. Today you are gonna learn how to turn off that option. Open Settings. Scroll down and find Messages Settings. Here you can find an option called iMessages. Toggle this off. Alternatively, if you want to have this option on, but you need to send regular SMS occasionally, here is a trick. Go to Chat and send some messages. Now long tap on Send iMessage. List of options will pop up. Choose option Send as text message. And now you can see that messages are sent as regular SMS. Enjoy! That will be it for this tutorial. For more videos like this one, follow this channel. See you in the next video.